Good morning, class. Welcome back to your VPS e-learning class, children. As you all know that yesterday I have explained that what do you mean by articles, beta. Today I am going to start with your exercise A of same lesson 4, articles. So you have to do this work in your English language copy. Use blue and black pen to complete your work, and in this exercise you have to, some sentences are given which you have to fill a and an. Okay, so complete it neatly, nicely, and send it to me before 8:30 for checking, and complete your work. And after that check the spellings also, that the spellings are correct and you have correctly mentioned the a and an. Okay, let's start the video. Morning, class. As you all know that yesterday I have completed the demonstration of this lesson, articles. I have tell you that three types of articles are there, a and the. So today I am going to start with exercise A of the same chapter, lesson 4, a and the. So mention today's date, that is 5/6/21. Fill in the blanks with a or an. I saw an army of soldiers running down the mountain. I saw an army. Army, it is a started with vowel word, that's why we put an here. Okay, there is a pit of snakes in this dry well. So it is again with p, started with p word, so we put a. Next, Tina bought a pencil and an eraser. Okay, so pencil started with p consonant, so we put a, and this is from e, so we put an. Okay, next, please pass me an ice cube. Here ice cube started with I, it is again a vowel, so we put an. Next, he lost an eye in the war, so I, EYE, so we put an. Next, 6, she wrote a book, so book is started again with a consonant b, so it is, we put a here. Okay, next is 7th, I have an uncle in Delhi. He is an architect. I have an uncle in Delhi. So it is started with U, so an will be there. Next is he is an architect. Again it is started with A. It is vowel, that's why we put an here. Next is 8th, the sky had a high-tech umbrella. The sky had a high-tech umbrella. 9th, I have reached to an advanced level in NFS video game. Advanced, so we put an. Next, do you have an extra pencil? So we put an here. Okay, again I am repeating, in this fill up the blanks you have to use a or an. So first, I saw an army of soldiers running down the mountain. Second, there is a pit of snakes in this dry well. Next, Tina bought a pencil and an eraser. Fourth, please pass me an ice cube. Fifth, he lost an eye in the war. So we put here an. Next is 6th, she wrote a book. So a is there. 7th, I have an uncle in Delhi. He is an architect. Okay. Next, 8th is the sky had a high-tech umbrella. It is started with H, so we put A. Okay. Now it is clear to you all that what is vowel and what are consonants. Vowel, a, e, I, o, u means which words are started with a, e, I, o, u, we can put an before them, and which rest of the letters are consonants. Okay, so ninth is I have reached to an advanced level in NFS video game. Okay, next 10th, do you have an extra pencil? So we put an. Okay, complete it like this in your English language fair copy. Complete it neatly, nicely with the help of blue and black pen, and check that you have written as same as I have written. Thank you.